Okay, boys and girls, please make sure that before you continue with math today that you have paper and pencil, something to solve your work with, okay? Alright, you are in 3rd grade. We are right now working on multi-step words or mixed equations, and you're going to go multi-step. The link you click on later will take you right to here, okay? Some of you have already been using and working on this part, so this might be a review for some of you on MathGames.com. I'm going to use my scratch pad because I want to doodle on a couple things. It says Zachary needs 23 paper plates for a birthday party. He already has 5 blue plates, 9 red plates. How many more plates should Zach buy? Well, it says he needs 23. He has 5 blue. He has 9 red. How many more plates? And like we all know, you can either count up or you can, whoops, sorry guys, or you can count down. I'm going to choose to count up. So look down here at my recording. I already have 5, and I have 9, and I need some more because in the end Zach needs 23. 5 plus 9, that's 14. Plus something is 23. Well, I know 6 will get me to 20 and 3 more, so the answer is 9. So, close my scratch pad. The answer is 9. Elizabeth needs 21 paper plates for a birthday party. I'm going to underline that. That's important. She already has 9 blue ones and 3 red ones. How many more plates does she need to buy? This time I'm going to work on it, but I'm going to count down. So I could start at 21. I could say, well, I already have 9, so minus 9. And I already have 3, so minus 3. That's also what I could do, is I could take a shortcut and I could say 21 minus 12. That's the same thing. I'm going to keep my number whole. 21 minus 10 equals 11. 11 minus 2 equals 9. She needs 9 more plates. Close my scratch pad. 9. Alright, this one I want you to work along with me. Alright, scratch pad. In Ryan's toy bin there are 8 red blocks, 3 more yellow than red, 5 more blue blocks than red. How many in all? Well, in all we're going to add. So if you're thinking 8 plus 3 plus 5 is 16, that means you're kind of skipping ahead. Let's look at what this really says. It says 3 more yellow than red. So I know I have, I'm going to go R for red. I know red has 8. Yellow, it says it has 3 more. Well, what's 3 more than 8? 11. There's 5 more blue than red. So I'm going to do a B for blue. 5 more than red. Well, once again, red is 8. So 5 more would be 13, because 8 plus 5 is 13. Now, in all, I have 24 plus 8. And I know 24 plus 8 is 32. I'm going to close my scratch pad. 32. Alright, I want you to pause it quick and solve this one on your own. Alright, Mr. Westhoff is going to choose to count up. Mason needs 19 paper plates, so that's my answer at the end. He has 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 plus something is 19. Well, I know 10 plus 9 is 19. 9 is one of my answers. Okay. Go ahead and pause and solve this one also. Okay. Laura needs 15 paper plates for a birthday party. She already has 7 plates and 5 plates. How many more? This time I'm going to choose to count down. She has 15 minus 7 minus 5. Well, that's 15 minus 12. That's the same there. Equals 3. She only needs to go by 3 more. 3 is an option. Here we go. You're going to go click on the site and you're going to work on this also. Look at this next one. Kaylin had 22 stickers. She bought 6 plus 6. She got 8 for her birthday plus 8. Then she gave 7 minus 7. Used 9 minus 9. How many stickers does Kaylin have left? Notice you will not be able to do that in your head, so please, please, please use paper and pencil. Good luck.